All right, I'm gonna go over the practice associative and distributive properties. So for number one, you have the question 8 times 9 plus 4. We're gonna use distributive to solve this problem. 8 times 9 and 8 times 4. 8 times 9 plus, this is plus, 8 times 4. This is how I distribute the group. So this is 72. This is 32. So the answer is 104. Number 2. Type your answer in space. So we have P minus 5 times 6. So we're gonna do distributive property, outside to the inside, outside to the inside. So P times 6, I have 6 times P. Because the commutative property, I'm gonna do 6 times P. The minus side, I put it down. 6 times 5. So this is 6P minus 30. This is your final answer. Number 3, I have 3 times 4x plus 8. I'm gonna distribute them. 3 to the 4x and then 3 to the 8. So 3 times 4x and then 3 times 8. This is plus. So 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times 8 is 24. This is variable, so you can't simplify more. You leave it at 12x and 24. Number 4, you have half of C minus 8. We're gonna distribute, just think about 1/2. It's just a number, right? It's a rational. It's 0.5, so you just do you distribute it at normal. So half C, half times C minus, this is minus, I put down minus, half of 8. Half of 8. So half C, I can't do anything, it's half C minus half of 8 is 4. All right. Number 5. Which of the following expression is equivalent to 5A plus 5B? So, what do you see? What in common? 5, right? So we have 5 group of A and B. 5 group of A and B. All right, we done with number 5. Now we're going to start with number 6 up here. Is this a true or false questions? We have 6 times 2 times 9 is the same 6 times 2 times 9. This is associative property because they have different roots. So the first set they group 2 and 9, but the second set they group 6 and 2. So this is true. It is associative property with different groups. Very good. Number 7. Show what each side is equal to. 5 plus 6 and 7. The other one is 5 plus 6 and 7. Okay, it is associative properties because they are in different groups. First, you have 6 plus 7. The second group, you have 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 7, I have 13. 5 plus 13 is 18. This one, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 add 7 is also 18. So 18 equivalent with 18th. So they both equivalent with number 18. Number 8. You can use subtraction and division with associative property. This gonna be false because associative property can be applied for multiplication and only for addition. You can't use it for division and subtraction. Let me give you one example. If I have 8 minus 2 minus 1, will that be the same with 8 minus 2, 2 minus 1 or not? Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So they are not the same. These two are not the same. So you can't use subtraction and division for associative property.